Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to another project. Today I got a little cut off piece of 1.5" copper pipe. I'm going to turn this into a fishing lure. Let's jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, first thing I want to do is get this cut in half so we can heat it up and anneal it, flatten it out so we can work with it. So let's start with this. Can't tell if I'm past it. Damn line's so faint. I think I'm past it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm past it. Yeah, there we go. I don't know what the weight of that's going to be, but let's try and flatten it out a little bit. Okay. All right. We are looking at, what is that? 27 milliliter? The hell? 27 grams. Uh, 0.9 pound. So what's that? Almost an ounce? 27 kilogram? Or 0.027. This is 0.95 ounce, so that's almost an ounce of copper, and we're going to turn that into a little casting lure. So want to get the nose of this done first. That way I can just follow the contour down. It's starting. Okay, cool. I'm gonna have to put it this way so I can feel it a little bit better. Oh yeah, it's starting to work. It's starting to work. There we go. Now we're starting to get somewhere. But I think it's twisting on me a little bit. Well, not too bad. I've got to get right here though. Right here there's a little hump in the middle, but every time I hit there it just bounces. So I need like pressure on both sides to try and give me the shape I need. See how it's bouncing? Yeah, I think we're getting somewhere. Ooh. Dug in, wanted to go somewhere, didn't it? I think that might be a little bit better. I think it might. Let me throw this on some sandpaper or something. Alright, well, a whole bunch of, let me get this all out of the way here. A whole bunch of trial and, ouch, damn that's sharp. Trial and error, we created a copper spoon-ish lure. I don't know if it's going to swim right. I hope to God it will. But this is absolutely awesome. I'm really happy with it. Really happy indeed. We got the treble hook on there. We got the eyelet on there. It is raining right now, so it's an overcast, nasty day, and spoons work better when there's full sunlight. So we will wait for a sunny day, and we'll go down to the lake and see if we can't catch something on our homemade lure. So we'll see you down at the lake. Well, we got the lure that we made. Let's go test it out. See how it wobbles? If it was sunnier and the water just a little warmer, I think we'd catch as a pickerel. Get a little video of down the creek. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with this one. The fishing lure, it came out absolutely fantastic, I think. It does have really good motion in the water. It's got a nice wobble. It's flashy enough. I think it's still a little too early in the season to catch a pickerel. Once the weather warms up, I'll go back down there. We'll give it a couple of casts. We'll see if we can't get something. If I do catch one, I will definitely put a picture of it on my community page to keep you guys updated. That is it for this one, guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another.